Hi, everyone, and welcome to NYC Apartment Building Chat, where we talk with industry professionals that work with multifamily buildings in New York City or greater New York on various different things. And today I have the pleasure of having Jeffrey Gross with me. He is from Maxon Restoration, and they restore all kinds of disasters. So welcome, Jeff. How are you?
I'm well, thank you.
Very good. So how did you end up working with Maxon?
Believe it or not, I answered an ad in the New York Times 28 years ago, right out of college. I interviewed with the very dynamic man who's my CEO and boss and mentor, and never looked back. 28
Wow.
years.
28 years. That's amazing. And it's not very often that you hear of people who do what they did 28 years ago. How did you work in the same position the whole time, or you started doing one thing and now you do something completely different?
I started as a project manager, and I have still run the project management team, but I am now the chief operating officer of this company.
Ooh, very nice. So you advanced in a good way. Yes.
Well, I also helped to build and grow this company from 4 employees to over 50.
Wow, that's very impressive. And so tell me a little bit about what Maxon does. I know that you do restoration, but what do you restore?
So Maxons comes in after any type of disaster, whether it be a fire, flood, mold. We've responded after 9/11, after Hurricane Sandy, and we basically provide emergency services. We clean up and restore people's properties, and basically we restore people's lives.
Wow. And who brings you in? Does the co-op or condo board or apartment building owner call you, or is it the insurance firms?
So insurance companies may call us sometimes, and sometimes, or oftentimes property management companies call us in, or insurance brokers. But how we get to the job doesn't matter. It's who owns the property. They're our customer.
Yeah.
And that's who we serve at the end of the day, the people who own the property.
That's great. Yeah, no, I was just interested in like how it normally works, how you get the business. But
we do a lot of work with the residential property management firms in New York City, and also some commercial property management firms as well.
Yeah, I would think. So Jeffrey, tell me, what makes Maxon different than your competitors like ServPro or Belfort or any of the other ones that I've heard of?
What I would say that the difference between us and our competitors boils down to our 4 C's, which are our main operating principles. It's caring, communication, collaboration, and credibility. We put a strong emphasis on keeping our clients in the know and information that helps them make informed decisions and keep them, in the loop on as the project is going on. And that's, I think, one of the most important things. And credibility speaks to the education that us and all of our project managers have. We really know and understand and have studied our field. So we're highly educated, and that makes us very credible.
And collaboration, I think, is the word of the year. Everybody's talking about collaboration this year.
Everybody's talking about collaboration. Well, when it comes to damage and insurance claims, a lot of companies will come in and they will basically waste insurance proceeds doing what they think is best. But collaborating with the clients and finding out what their priorities are and what's most important to them is really how we make sure that we tailor our services to what our clients really want and need.
And that makes perfect sense. I mean,
thank you.
Yeah. Fantastic.
To me, it's just common sense, but.
Yes. And you do notice that we're wearing the same color.
There you go. It's a blue day.
A blue day. Anyways, it was so great to have you here. I'll introduce you to as many building owners as need your help. Hopefully none, but But
if you manage enough properties, you're going to need me at some point.
yes, I'm sure
It's just
that will.
statistics.
Fantastic. This is great. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate it. And I will put Jeffrey's contact information at the end of the video. And I'll see you soon. Have a good one.
Thank you.